What's up guys, it's Andrew Cuts here. In this video I'm going to be unboxing a clipper and trimmer combo made by Suprent. This is their Gray Storm clipper and trimmer combo. As you can see, the box got a little damage there, I guess when it was shipping, or it may have been my fault, but as you can see, really clean packaging. Suprent is an amazing brand that makes very high quality, professional level clippers and trimmers, but their price points are just unbeatable. So I highly recommend checking their website out and checking them out on Amazon. I mean, you can find some really good stuff for very, very cheap. So as you can see, both the clipper and the trimmer both come with a charging base, which is a really, really nice feature if you're a barber. You know how messy your station can get. So having the charging base, it just helps everything stay nice and clean. You can just pop the clipper or trimmer right in there and it just stands straight up. And there you have the trimmer. This trimmer feels very high quality and it looks high quality as well. If I had to compare it to another trimmer, I think it's very similar to the Stylecraft Instinct. I actually use the Stylecraft Instinct almost every day, and the blade, the body, it all feels very, very similar. One feature that I like on this trimmer here by Suprent is it has the dual speed motor. So if I press the button once, it's on the low speed, and if I press it again, as you see right there, it turns to that blue color instead of the white, and that is the high speed motor. Which is a really nice feature if you know you're cutting somebody who might have sensitive skin, like a elderly person or a kid. Being on that low speed setting just allows you to cut a little less aggressively. And now here we have the clipper, and once again, just super clean design. Feels really good in my hand. That blade, that blue blade is just, it's super clean and very smooth. It's got the 5 notches on the side, and same as the trimmer, it has the dual speed. So you click it once, it's the low speed. You click it twice, it's the high speed. And I've been using this set for a few weeks now, and this clipper has quickly become really my go-to. I use it just about every haircut. It cuts extremely, extremely smooth. Never snags on me. It cuts through any hair texture, and it's been incredible so far. And the trimmer's been really, really nice as well. And now here's some more stuff from the packaging. You had the clipper oil at first. There's your USB charger. Comes with 2 chargers because there's 2 charging bases. You got the user manual there. A little brush for just brushing the hair off, which can come in handy. And now here's probably one of my favorite things about this set, and that's the guards. These guards are just incredibly, incredibly high quality guards. They remind me of the Wall Premium guards, except they're actually even a step above those, because not only do they snap onto the clipper and stay very snug, they have the magnetic piece as well. So if you've ever used the wall guards, sometimes they can accidentally fall off. You accidentally maybe hit them with your thumb, or they get caught on the hair and they fall off. These magnetic guards pretty much guarantee that the guard is going to stay on the clipper, which is really, really nice. As you can see, all the different guards that it comes with, it has a really nice 0.5 and 1.5 guard. And once again, yeah, these guards are going to be basically the exact same measurements as the wall guards, which is what a lot of barbers use. And another nice feature is it has guards for the trimmer as well. So a lot of guys ask me for a good clipper and trimmer set for just shaping up their beard. This is really nice because you have the guards that come for the trimmer as well. So if you're looking to take down your beard, these guards will allow you to do that. So as you can see, it has all the measurements on each guard. To be honest, I haven't really used the guards for the trimmer. I just haven't really had a reason to. But I have no doubt that they would be just as high quality as the other guards for the Clipper. This I didn't see until after I filmed initially me unboxing this whole set. This is a zero gap tool for zero gapping the trimmer, which I haven't done yet. I have not zero gapped the trimmer. I kind of like the way that the trimmer's cut. They're very, they're sharp, but they're not too sharp. So I've been using those trimmers on kids and elderly people because I know they're not going to be too sharp or too aggressive. But I'm very curious if I do zero gap them, just how much sharper they would cut. I would think that they would be really, really sharp. So yeah, there's kind of an overview of everything that the set comes with. Like I said, I've been really impressed so far with it. And here I'm just demonstrating how the guards go on. They're just very, very easy to put on and take off. There's the trimmer guards as well. Just snap them right on. So yeah, really high quality set here. Like I mentioned, I've been using this set for quite some time now, and I've just been really, really enjoying it. This set does retail for $120 on Suprent's website. So definitely check out Suprent, and if you're interested in purchasing this clipper or any of their clippers, I will attach a referral link below where you can get 25% off, and my discount code should work as well if you just use Andrew25. Thanks for watching.